Welcome back. In this tutorial, we will learn how to set up school management software according to your requirements. Before you proceed, let us go through some more dashboard options. You will see a website, dashboard, and reports buttons for easy access to each of these modules. Next to it, there is an academic year drop-down, in which you can switch between different academic years and go through your data analytics. Next is language. You can change the language of the software. You can even add more languages. Watch the video on languages to know more. Then, we have messages and notifications. And lastly, we have a profile. By clicking the profile picture, you can visit your profile, change your password, or log out. I have made a separate video on the admin profile. Watch it to learn more. Now, let's customize the software according to our needs. Go to the side navigation bar and find System Settings. Then, click on General Settings. You could view the entire detail of your school like school name, school title, address, phone number, email, school code, academic year, and so on. Our support executives add these details before handing the software to you. Just in case you want to update it, then click on Edit. You can update everything, from school name to currency to date format. For example, I am updating, school admissions can be done without a guardian, and changing the result type from GPA to percentage. Click Save to update it. You can make such changes on your own at any time. Next, you can change the logo. Currently, the software displays TabSchool logo, but you can change it. Click on Upload, and select your school's logo from your computer. Then, click Save. Wait a few seconds, the logo is changed. Similarly, you can change the favicon. Favicon is a small icon that displays on the web browser. It's easy to change in this software. Upload any square PNG file, and you are done. See how easily you can customize the software. TabSchool makes sure that software is easy to use, so that you don't have to face any challenges. And if you do, then you can raise a support ticket at support.tabschool.in. Thanks for watching.